Today, we're going to talk about deliverables. If you've already learned about the BadgeStudio creative process, we now want to tell you what you get in addition to a unique design and a great badge at the end of the design service. You also get some bonus deliverables. You will own your design. This is not the case with most badge companies. This is unique to Smith & Warren. Some companies charge as much as $2,000 to buy these art files, but by participating in the BadgeStudio process, we give you the files at no additional cost. The first item we share with you is the vector art file, which is used to make high-resolution logo images, vehicle graphics, embroidery, letterhead, etc. We want you to use these files to promote the badge design throughout your department as well as your community. You will also own your die. We will store your steel die in our factory for future production and reorders, but know that this die is exclusively yours. This is also unique to Smith & Warren. As a bonus, we will include catalog quality photos as well as creative photos of your finished badge for you to use. This is your design, and we want to give you the tools that you need to promote it. If you have questions about any of the deliverables or are ready to get started, please contact us.